doing a basement finish. You can see this right here is where they were poking the fresh air return. And then this one, they actually have a total of 2 vents in the basement. Let's step back a little bit so you can see. And the other one is down here, the other vent. She's fine. Right there. And what we're wanting to do is, from that point, you can follow my finger, is add a wall and a door, so we can make that area a bedroom. And it looks like this register is going to be on the side of the room. But that's all they have for the basement. So my question to you is, can we poke one here? And then the fresh air return now is going to be in the room. That's that same trunk there. It goes all the way back to where I originally showed you. We're going to have to increase the size of that. If you could let me know, I'd be very grateful. Thank you.